This is a story about an eternal optimist, an adventurer, a traveler, a smile maker, and a fear shaker. A friend to most creatures, but most of all, my co-captain, travel buddy, and best companion. His name was Cagney. He lived a long, adventurous life of 13-ish years, even though I can only account for his last 6. He came into my life randomly, and our relationship began long distance as my mom would send me pictures and videos of him. You see, my mom was mourning the loss of her mother, my grandmother, and also another small white fluffy dog named Chico. So when she got called to jury duty in the small town of Globe, Arizona, she never thought she'd find love. One day, on her way home from court, she made a pit stop at an antique store, which doubled as a halfway home for dogs that were rescued from kill shelters. That's where this curly-haired, bright-eyed scruffball jumped into her lap, won her over, and officially joined our family. My mom found comfort in Cagney's exuberant and endearing presence. So there he lived in a cozy cabin in the Tonto National Forest with my mom and his older sister Bailey, who was also a rescue mutt. Eventually, in 2017, I moved back home to Arizona to start building my new life on the road, and Cagney hopped in the passenger seat and came with me, eager for the adventures that awaited us. We traveled together on and off for 2 years in the van, all around the US and Canada, and he lit up my days with his zest for life. He always waited patiently as I slowly went through my routine to start our day, often narrating as I worked and earnestly reasoning with him when we had to change our plans. I'm just gonna have to work on a blog post today, and it's a really hot day, so I don't think it's a good idea to go on a hike. Cagney. He was loyal and well-behaved 90% of the time and always took an interest in the daily van life tasks. He felt most like himself when he was outdoors and free to run wild. He hopped like a rabbit, but he could also easily blend in with a herd of sheep. Oh, and he howled a lot. Whether he felt a connection to a song or because he wanted attention or felt stressed, his howls could be heard for miles. Sometimes, his howls could even be mistaken as baby dinosaur noises. Cagney passed away on August 24, 2019, but his memory lives on in every hike, camp spot, and in the bark of each new dog I encounter.
Who's a good boy, Cagney? Who's a good boy?
Did you eat the cookie? It looks like you ate the cookie. Cagney? Did you eat the cookie? Cagney? Did you eat the cookie? Did you eat the cookie? No.